Okay, so this is your burner lighting training. A couple things when we light a burner, think of the 3 things we need for a fire. So just take a moment, think of the 3 things we need for a fire triangle. We need a fuel, which for us is the propane from the tanks. We need something to start the fire, which are our strikers. They give us a nice spark. And we need from the air, don't tell me we need air, because we don't need air. We need oxygen. Chemical oxygen in the air is what we need for burner lighting. So when we do our burner lighting first, make sure you take off your IDs. You would tie back any hair that is long and in your face that could dangle down. Be careful of ponytails, because if they're up too high, they will swing around and catch that flame. So be careful of how you tie your hair up. You also need to have an apron on for chemical labs tied, that apron strings are not dangling. As far as clothing, no loose clothing. Pull up those sleeves, take off any dangly bracelets, things like that, things that are fire hazards. We must have goggles on. Our goggles protect us from the fire, from shooting shattered glassware, flames, things like that. So to start the fire, to start the burner lighting, you will turn on your gas by bringing the nozzle running in the same direction as the hose. Off is horizontal, off is also horizontal this way or perpendicular to the hose. So you want it running towards the hose. Your settings on your burners. This brass valve, you twist it the whole way shut, open it up 1.5 turns. That allows the gas to flow into your burner. Your oxygen is controlled by these vents. You want to have those vents halfway open and make sure this shaft is twisted shut. When you go to light, you are the one lighting, you're the one turning on the gas, because you want to control all variables here. You light with your hands apart, away from your body. You're not looking at watching it light, your hands are away. You're going to have some friction to get a nice spark. You turn on your gas, hands away, face back, and light your burner. Notice the location of my burner is in the center of my table. It's not over here on the edge where it can fall off. So be very careful. I also don't have it in front of my sink because I need to have access to my water. So I have it off here to the side of my table. In order to shut off my burner, I just simply turn off the gas. The second type of burner we have, the Meeker burner, same idea. It's just a large burner. Nozzle on the bottom, twist it shut, open it up 1.5 turns. Your air vents, you can see those windows, that's the whole way open. You want them halfway open. Turn on your gas, arm's length, face back, get that spark. When I go to shut it off, I shut it off from the valve of the gas hookup. Okay, thank you.